Ya Oliotia Aliokubuket Times. My name is Kiria Onkuni abasingo ngigwe beta Chalo Chisaka Idembe. Tuli anu ndi anu ngizire Ukamu City live in Chibuku district, and it is where I'm going to be one-on-one with Sasha Powers, one of the most prolific musicians that we have here in Bugwere. Tuli kwa kutumula na yeye atukobereku yatandiki radio music yabaire yayina ali yayine sawa genu era yewona ina buli kimo ekikwato ku Sasha Powers. Bucket Times, Kiria Onkuni, stay tuned. Bra!
Ninza mpala kama omukali azwamwe ebigambo ebinoli ndi wekiwago physically naye mbakuba lyrically ewezi twedira pokopoko era titutaka wolokoso ewezi tusoma kosi ya lavu olondere chapa mumalinago.
Yes, Oliotia Aliokubuket Times. My name is Kiria Onkuni Chalo Chisaka Idembe. Tuli Kamu City baire nkukobere. Tuli nonna muwala ayemba mu Luganda bali wengeri gibetanga kantu baketa nyonza amulugwira mu baketa batya kaba mbibire eyo naye kazwa mama lobozi masa ino njyawo kanoneri yako mu Lugwere baketa batya naye mu Luganda oyemba oti nyonza. So here with me Sasha Powers mbaye ntakire weyanjule keri ekyalo bategera omuntu gwende naye
Amalina. Sasha Powers. The Lioness.
The Lioness. Why the Lioness?
By the balinjetere kuzwa way back when I was still in school. They used to call me the Lioness, the Lioness. Ati ano inatandikira kuzenya football. I was a footballer. A very good one. Ati ano nibatandika kunjeta Fausta the Lioness. Fausta the Lioness, like that. So
yazwire mupira?
Yazwire iranga nka ino kutandika mpira nga kuzwa I think senior 2. Ndianga some friends of mine nicknamed me the Lioness. So ati ano natandikira kwemba tete nindizo kusaku uyaka
bantu bakoba nteri ineriyo otaka kulubiriria abantu bandi.
No, that's what people think, but the truth. Actually, today is the very first time I've come out to say the truth about that song, that title.
So the Lioness is not directed to someone.
It's not. I was nicknamed that name from way back in
ngokali kuingira kwemba.
Ngankali kuingira kwemba. Because the music namtanikire just recently, last year in Feb. I haven't made a year even.
So ulirotya nga such allegations zigizwayo nti Sasha Powers the Lioness ayina muntu gwatakulubiriria.
Anyway, ekisokera ku kibakindaga nti meaning seriously people following me. Ekokubiri I'm okay because nze mba maite kituufu.
Oh, it is part of music.
It's also part of music. Bibamu. Yes, bibamu music.
Okay.
Ebyombyoni ni bibamu uli ekyokola omuntu era abaye gwe kinyigana ko bati oba kino oba omuntu ankopere kino omuntu ali kunkona bintu bityo naye ngaate omuntu abata ayina targets gindi.
Omuntu awulira nti Sasha Powers nike kibeki mwizire mu bwongo. Sasha Powers.
Sasha Powers.
Who is Sasha Powers?
Sasha Powers.
And how did you come to Sasha Powers? Maybe nga tukali kwaba omuntu kya bategere nti who is Sasha Powers? How did you come to Sasha Powers?
Sasha Powers. Sasha is from my names. Is from my name. My name is Hasasha Janet. My real name. So Sasha is from Hasasha. Then Powers, I was given the name Powers from my manager because he saw the abilities in me. That power, yeah. He saw strong powers in me.
Was it a
yeah, of course, just on saying me nganka ino kwemba he saw naona akimonga I'm a very powerful woman. Era powerful musician. That's why he named me Powers.
Then omuntu awulira nti Sasha Powers nike kibaki mwizira mu bwongo.
bitirire because Sasha Powers ekisookerwako mwembi w'amaanyi akubira ennyembo egiwulirira ennyembo egisomesa eiwanga ekyokubiri Sasha Powers ambassador Kam City so owona Sasha Powers oba owulire lina Sasha Powers
oboli kuliro mwembi na ambassador
Kam City ne Kam City nyeri
oli mwala musomi
nasomereku though era nkali neeyongerayo because nalimpozingiremu ku by this very year I'm going back to school neeyongereku ng'omaite okusoma tikuwaayo
takusoma niki
yo mwabiwona
tuibirako noko tutegeera nti omwala waisu ataka kubaloya
be mwabiwona kuba oriso ewatumulo otyo omuntu ayija kitwala nti kali kukola niki kali obimaite kali kweraga no that's not me
no obotumwire mbantumwire yasoboka nti keeraga kepankire naye obotumwire
mbantumwire naye balinde. But I will invite even you on my graduation.
Kale, ebyo soma are they related to music? Ine kwatagana yoyona?
No. They're bit. It's not so good by the mwembi yenye no bomuntu yenye kubaongo predicting on one job. So tinsolo kubawo ntinde ku music yankani. Fine, it gives me some money. Na tinsolo ku predicting lokuni yankani.
Sa tulino Sasha Powers yano ku Kam City. The environment is so nice. I've been here before. Naenda wozambaye timbonanga kutete. Timbai tinegenderezanga Kam City but
Kam City, the home of comfort.
Kam City, the home of comfort.
Yes.
So you are the brand ambassador of the mighty Kam City
Hotel, yeah.
Chaizire kitya. Osoka kachonko vere ku chaizire kityo soka ambassador. Wayajiriwa abembi abayinabo but within a small a short period of time I hear that Sasha Powers is the brand ambassador Kam City.
I thank God.
In a year?
Not even a year. Remember, I started music in early Feb. Then I got this gig of ambassadorship in March. Then I started officially working here in April.
April?
Yes.
So, okali kwa elio mwaka? Even in the music industry, okali kwa elio mwaka?
I'm making a year next month in Feb.
In Feb?
Yes.
Now, why? Ama naliulia na mukakati wa Kam City. Why wafunire ambassadorship with that speed? Wankwiza? Is it the management? Is it the music? Is it your looks, appearance? What?
You see, one, omuntu omukisa aba omukisa. Yes, I'm a blessed person from God. Two, I'm a very good musician. Music wange atambula. Yes, atambula and ne wandibaire niwe ngotaka ambassador wekifo kyo of course ononya muntu yo owabanti mwembinga ino music atambula nga ina ke following. You understand? Niyo muntu abaya kugaita kusinzira ku kyobotaka. So ndi mwembi musani nenyembwe gitambwire kuneba lya katonda.
Ya wali okali. My point is it was early. Iwo kwa ambassador wa Kam City. Music yali ukakasa yali atambwire.
Ati anuke nkukobereko because in April I think I was having around 4 songs. Nayenga omugege ina yabiro oku followinga kungaona ka following kasa kamukolera. Yes, naonera kimonga nakole kintu ekyataka. And two, music engere gyatambulamu era yali akonera kimonti ene following be era yafune neki ekyataka. Yes.
Do you think Kam City ekirubirirwa kya Nanyere Kam City kiri kutuukirira oba time comes nga ekirubirirwa kya Nanyere okuwa bwa brand ambassador bwa Kam City omukono okukoina kyogaitire?
nina kyengayitireku actually to be honest enfuniremu nze nangifuniremu. Yes.
So it
nina
is
kyengayitireku eitafaayo lyengayitireku Kam City eri kutambula. Nebalya Katonda.
What exactly are you doing here?
I'm ambassador Kam City.
Oh,
Actually,
ambassador. Oba muntu awulira nti mwe brand ambassador of this and this. For omuntu ategeera who is a brand ambassador of a given company, brand, what?
Brand ambassador about niche ekifaananyi ekintu ekyo oba company. Now like this investment Kam City atya ninga ninze ekifaananyi kya Kam City era obombweine oboine Sasha Powers oboine ne Kam City yonyoni.
Embone performance or somewhere and it is massive.
Yes.
It is that vibe is Kam City.
Exactly. Kuba ekisookerwa kundi mukali musa.
Okubire woino.
No, but I'm being honest. I'm a very beautiful woman. So when you see me, the beauty, the good music, everything, I'm representing Kam City Hotel. Yeah.
So whatever okoba nti oboti kifaananyi.
Exactly.
Where there is no Kam City, you're there.
Most definitely.
So tutwale nti Sasha Powers alina empisa mbi bitumuwoineko eyo bamukwatire mu bwenzi. Sasha Powers yazumira abantu
Aba Kam City.
Then eyo kiba kifaananyi.
So
wefa kukulongoosa kifaananyi on behalf of what you're saying.
Yes, the discipline I have, the beauty, the smartness, everything. Kam City.
Okay. So apart from okutunda Kam City to the public, and of which, by the way, to be honest, you've tried. Ever since buchena ulire nti Sasha Powers is the brand ambassador of Kam City. I think there is something. Na oyaba no mukyalo, your music, there is Kam City.
Yeah.
When ngoli okubivula, I've seen you.
Yeah.
Come to Kam City. Your posts Kam City. I think your socials are doing well.
Yeah.
And apart from, what do you get from Kam City?
A lot, because to be honest, Kam City is a very big investment. Hope you can even see it. You toured everywhere. Kam City is a very big investment, so no baniwe okuba involved in such an investment. Chiba
tosigala kimu. It's like when you're ngoli kuzenyera team tutwale oli muzenyi ali muwagizi wa team chebulaya.
Ebulaya ndi wa Man U United.
Kitalo. Muli mwaona ino. So it's like you're working with a big company. Eriyo wena tikibao nti eri ukufunamu wabula wena wali wengeri because it is a big company, because you can't be bigger than Kam City.
Exactly.
So Kam City will always be big. So wali wekifaananyi wena kyowonekeramu, that one is a brand ambassador. Apart from such services, are there tangible things, same money, tangibles at the end of the month, say waba Kam City?
Exactly.
What do you get from Kam City? Very tangibles.
A lot. Because every end of the month I get some money. The contract, of course you get some money. Yeah.
I saw you signing in Kanzenti. Onatwabireku.
Yeah. Then of course even in the place I'm treated like
an ambassador.
Yeah.
So I sent it to Twatumuleku. Yeah, tuli kwa my son Sasha Powers. We are here live at Kam City. A city?
Yeah, Kam City Hotel.
A what of comfort?
Home of comfort.
A home of comfort.
Yeah.
So tuli kwa Sasha Powers. Kampu muleku mukatono kati nkali njaba naye.
okumyanga olugato bangane yali okulyanga baana bantu b'omusaiza ati wabalaga itima olaganga owende niwo wayenda niwo wendire niwo watakire weye.
Yes, Obaira Nkobere, what you benefit from Kamu City. But what does Kamu City get from you?
A lot, of course. What anyone can benefit from one ambassador. Kamu City has got it from me. Because one, I have marketed it. Yeah, so many people out there have got to know about Kamu City through me. Two, wulye omusic wange nkitegeogo mwetegereze wulye owabanga Kamu City ewulamu nga tandika tisalimu oku endi. You understand? So ejonjo nrozi ate nyembo gitambwire. You understand? Gitambwire kusani aka following ni nakasa. So yeah, I guess yone mfuniremu ngo wenjifuniremu.
Kamu City, does Kamu City feel your role?
Most definitely. Yeah, it does.
Okay. All right. Tukatu abano Mugungumali Sasha Powers here at Kamu City, ambassador wa Kamu City. So, thank you for always following Bouquet Times. My name, don't forget, Charles Kitaka Idembe Kiria Onkoni. Now, Sasha Powers, you said you're soon celebrating a year in the music industry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, why do you think, of all professions, why did you join music instead of any other thing?
One, it's not that I'm in music only. I'm of course doing other things out there, just that I don't expose them in cameras. But one, I love music because actually, did you know I had passion for music from way back, 4 years before even starting the music industry, joining the music industry. Yeah. I had the music, the passion since 2019. Yeah, I've been moving with that passion. So when I got, but anyway, I didn't want to rush. Like rushing nga babandi abowona nti rock by ne passion ye kali no kwera akali kweteka kusani aliko bigwamo ogwepwa. I had the passion fine, but I didn't want to rush. Nali ntaka netegeka I take my time nga ntaka ntandike nti nine management nina working team ejendi nayo nga maite ntoro ensimbula mulundi gutya. That is why yokuzowe natandikire owe na joiningire music tinjiranga kenyuma paka radi ate era nkali njaba kwana mwaka guno gutandikire era naba nago. Yeah,
I've seen your music trending bucha oiza but music so far in a year have you gotten something from music? Or time comes in Obango discouraged from the industry?
Never. Since by the way, I took my time okusoka studying ebintu bino ina kuchikwata antya because you people, most of you got to know me ngandi Sasha Powers na yatyanu waliwo ejenasokeiro music industry. First I was first a promoter, by the way. Yes, natsokere ku bam promotion. Nenge chintekao ndikusoka kwetegerezya music industry tambule etya netagisi yaniki ni yensonga lako wona ntine promotion yange sawe no uchanga joining promotion yange yenja uloko kuba exokera ko ni team eje nkola nayo nze no nyere tindi kububyo mu bintu bya promotion. I know how to promote myself, my techensolo kukola in order to promote my music. So eobyo ni obigaita. Of course, bibabi ntambulira.
What have you gotten from the music now?
Bintu binge byenfunire mu one, I've created friends, bantu bangi wenokiryo ntegeire ra music, which it wasn't the music, maybe it wasn't integrated. So I've created so many friends out there. Nabandi about maite maybe, nenga be maite. Too, kuna kasente because the concerts, the music, the shows that like where they book me, nfunayo kakasente nebalya Katonda tinsobola okukitumulako because abawagizi bange bantakira by the way they love my music ngwenkobeire ntatambula kusani, so people put up that demand for me era nze naninjaba nimba delivering nimba we services eje bakola niki eje babanza, so mfunire mbindi ate nkali nfunamu kuba omwaka guno gundi gwakatandika ntandikire nagwo era na Lwembo Luyaka era nkali nfunamu
bucho tandiko kwemba bayiro kobero ofunire mwe mikwano some kamane. Are you booked? And how often are you booked? And when? Because sometimes your season. Some of these shows are seasonal.
No, me.
How often are you booked and when?
I'm always booked because living alone these shows inti Christmas ali mu club fine njikola naye ate okusingira kimo I'm more packaged for Mikolos. Yeah, introductions, weddings. Remember, people introduce their maid almost every weekend. So, yeah.
So, otero kufuna gigs over the weekends.
Yeah, ela weekends nabantaka basinga my friends abamaite asinga tiba predicting la ku weekends kuba mba gig.
Lwaki wayingira mu mikolo gy'abantu?
By the mikolo nije girimu akasente. Okusinga fine binu byo bino ebivulu byo nabituwaka kasente naye emikolo gituwaka kasente akategerekekako okusinga ebivulu.
Ofunira kumwe challenge ezibu kya otandika kwemba.
Challenge
iwe ngomwala like what?
Challenges isobola okugota weno bimaite challenges gibaawo olusi odyabataka olusi omuntu akubokinga nakusasula kusana deposit notuuka waino kumalayo ate ngali kulumya mitwe kutegeera
yakuwaireku naye otaka ngokali kwa ku stage
amaleyo kuba obo maliriro kukola bamaita okutuuzauzanga bati
customer lo kwemba
akuuzauza mbwe tategulawo ate ngowule kye wakola already maliro kwemba you understand zatyano nekyo nti olwisi abawagizi babati bayizire kusani wena kikukosya munku kuba omugayigo abatafunire kusani wena era oyinza okuleme obutafuna mu kusani kwa nekisa kikukwata ino boli muntu boyina okutegeera omwenawo. Two, people out there when they see like a beautiful woman like I told you like me wakuona nti oli music abandi batweta bayayuki bintu bityo ni batoloweze bintu ebye tutali you understand so ejo jona je byirya gune era still tigritumala mu amani
ekintu abantu kibakubalowozera mu kindi kukyemuli
exactly and balowoza nti swenswe natuli batyo fine wabao nze ati for example ali omuntu asobola okweza nakoba nti abembi benzi abendi baba bati kibachukula ky'omuntu because there are so many people out there who are not even musicians nayenga they do those nga benzi omwenzi nga bakwata kisoka okutegeera ngati bembi. So I don't know why they keep putting it on
amangari mwana je musinkana ne batera ukobambwe byo janyu timigumube
ati ani kye kyankobere nti kisinzira ku muntu kikula ky'omuntu. So yajja odinga ye ngomwoyo gwe gutyo naba mwembi nabati mwembi era mwajanga kola niki.
So tofunira mu buzibu bwa abasayiza kuba abasayiza bona bataka omuntu ali mu limelight. She's beautiful in limelight yefaako nkuba enkoyino kuzwansi paka ngulu wefaako. Don't you face such challenges omuntu nga ono aletere profile egundi ye ebitabo bye ordinaleto bitabo bye buli muntu nalete bibye?
I get them. Kitolo kubeya nti timbafuna I get them no da omumpi omwanvu omunene omutono omweru gazi bombo ni baiza ogali wepiki motoka bombo ni baiza nayo omuntu obanga echo tako kimaite. You just have to remain focused.
So Is that those are some of the only challenges in the music industry?
Mob of them.
Because you okwefaku is what you get from the music. Gyokozesa oba waliwo kyokole kindi.
Waliwo ebyenkwasaganyako ebindi ne kamusite bwenfunako kamusite ona ati nkolera weerere ne no music ebyenfunaku nekisinga okulu newa mirembe.